Hey guys, today I got my 2022 Can-Am behind me. She's pretty clapped. Y'all probably can't tell in the videos, but it's long overdue for a full detail on this thing. But Super Clean actually sent me out some products to try out. They sent me a aerosol can, just regular bottle, and some wheel cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna try this out today. I've actually been using Super Clean for a long time. I appreciate them sending this out. As y'all seen at the start of the video, she's pretty clapped. We're gonna try to get it back to mint condition. It's gonna be tough, but we're gonna try it, see what we can do. And I also got, for the finished product, a can of SC1. If you've never tried this stuff, I mean, you're missing out. They call it magic in a can. It'll make the quad look brand new. But yeah, let's see what we can do. I'll set you up on a time lapse and I'll show you all the finished product. Alright guys, I got most of the plastics and the seat, everything removed. I'm gonna work on the wheels first. I'm gonna use the regular old Super Clean, and you don't even have to scrub these wheels. All you do is just wet it, spray it on, and let it sit a little bit, then spray it off. It takes the mud right off, no scrubbing or anything. It actually shines the wheel up pretty good too. But yeah, this motor, I'm gonna use some aluminum cleaner on it. I haven't cleaned it but one time since I've had it. The motor, I don't full detail it much. I just clean the outside most of the time. But yeah, that Super Clean really does the job on the wheels, and I don't recommend it. Some people say it'll fade your plastics. I've never had that happen, but I like to coat the whole four-wheeler in it mixed with some soap, and I mean, it really does a number on the plastics. I mean, it'll take the mud off. But yeah, I'll set y'all back up and get with it. Then I get a good microfiber rag, douse some soap on the whole four-wheeler, and go at it. give a huge shout out to Super Clean for sending me some products to try out and show y'all. As y'all seen, it works wonders. It really does a good job at taking that mud off the tires and the plastics, mud stained plastics. It really does a good job on that. But thank y'all, Super Clean, for sending me out this. Maybe one day I can get sponsored by Super Clean and they keep sending me products to try out. It looks way better. I appreciate y'all watching. There's a million different ways to clean one. This is just my way. Let me know in the comments how y'all clean y'all's units. And I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you.